हवा में सिक्का उछलेगा वो हम बाद में देखेंगे, लेकिन फिलहाल चंडीगढ़
as there is that discussion. Abhimanyu Raghuvanshi, who knows to get into the Chakravyu and also come out. You please tell me, can the Yuva Mumbai retain their second slot? What's your take?
यह शाम का वक्त है, 5:30 बज रहा है और स्लॉट को रिटेन करेगी युवा मुंबा।
Well.
युवा मुंबा, jersey number 2
just goes out and gives up. Has been tackled out. So that's why he's not gone near him at all.
यह अक्सर नवीन हम मुझसे शिकायत करते हैं कि वो नंबर्स में अच्छे नहीं है, पर जिस तरीके से जिस खूबसूरती से वो बात कर रहे हैं नंबर्स की, आप जानते हैं कि यहाँ पर वो अच्छे से डेटा को कंगाल करके आए हैं।
1 point चंडीगढ़ चार्जर्स।
मुझे ना एग्जाम थोड़ी है, एंट्रेंस एग्जाम थोड़ी है। अगर वहां होते तो हमारे नवनीत अव्वल नंबर पर आते, लेकिन हाँ oh yeah, that's nice. Kabaddi is growing. That's very good. People need to select their own players, make their own teams, play and win. But there is break and win. Break the chain. Ankit Dhul and Ravi Tehlan in a chain, and look at that. Sandeep Singh, shabash is the word that comes out of his real big hand on that clap as well. और जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था, नवनीत रग्बी के चैंपियन भी रह चुके हैं संदीप सिंह, और मुझे हमेशा लगता है पहले सिंह द कोच and retain his slot. Be 2 raiders, so there is no space for the 3rd raider to come on in. Sandeep Saini, the captain, he can only get the bonus point. Where can he get a touch point? No, Chetan Chaudhary says, no, my friend. I'm not going to give anything. This is LOCC back.
Yuva Mumbai.
Yeah.
All out Chandigarh Chargers.
Yeah, look at Lokesh Gosalia. Let's have eyes on Lokesh Gosalia. He's just
All in.
convinced Abhimanyu Raghuvanshi. Now that's an all out. And Navneet, this is very nice. I can see the players talk outside the frame as well. You know what? He was convincing Abhimanyu Raghuvanshi not to go for a raid, and he wanted to push Ajay Sangwan for a raid. Well. Now I'll tell you why. Now as Ajay Sangwan, no, look at this. There. Lovely visuals. I love what our piece confidence, and well, Ajay Sangwan gets a point. Navneet, this is why, my friend, I say we are storytellers, and I love storytelling like this.
Let us say
7 Qatari gets bonus plus 1.
Chandigarh Chargers. Jersey number 5 out.
जी हाँ, नवीन जैसा बता रहे हैं कि हमें स्टोरी टेलर्स, और हिंदी अगर सही तरीके से कहा जाए तो हम हैं कथाकार। हम एक कथा सुना रहे हैं, हम एक कहानी।
Yeah, after the all out, they will come charging back in. Well. And look where Lokesh Gosalia is standing. Block. Chetan Chaudhary comes in. Brilliant. LOCC on the charge.
Raider out.
Mohit.
Yuva
Sandeep
Mumbai.
Singh charged up. LOCC charged up. Well, Yuva Mumbai, they are back. और लोकेश गोसलिया कहाँ खड़े थे? लेफ्ट इन पर, वहां पर देखिए एंकल होल्ड के लिए तैयार थे। दीपक कुंदू को भेज दिया लेफ्ट कॉर्नर पर, एंड लुक एट चेतन चौधरी विद अ बिग ब्लॉक. इंडिया 1 स्टार मोमेंट ऑफ द मैच डेफिनेटली फॉर द थिंकिंग. सो आज मैच के बाद पे जा रहे थे और they turn the pages and Lokesh Gosalia was on that right corner because Chetan Chaudhary was not there. Mohit, India 1 star moment of the match, definitely because of the turn of the pages. Lokesh Gosalia, Deepak Gundu, Prem Mandal, everybody wiped off. Big massive raid, Navneet, in the context of the game. Lokesh Gosalia was on that right corner, and look at the Deepak Gundu came in for the follow through dash, turned him away, turned that pages around. Ankle hold from Lokesh Gosalia not proper. Prem Mandal not proper. What a raid. Let's listen to Ankit Malik coming in. Mohin Surinder बेंच से आए हैं ये रेडर, और सुपर लगा दी. नवनीत,
जी हाँ बिल्कुल. अक्सर हम बेंच पे जो खिलाड़ी रहते हैं उन्हें कभी कमजोर समझते हैं क्योंकि उन्हें शुरुआत में मौका नहीं दिया जाता है. ये लंबे हाथों का कमाल है नवीन.
बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने. और Abhimanyu Raghuvanshi is taller than me. That I will agree, because in the Warriors KC there is Sumit Rathi, who's just
Red.
1 inch taller than me because he's got long hair. But here, what a nice turn. Big skill.
Mumbai.
Bonus, that's it. And now the do-or-die raid is on the Chandigarh Chargers. Chetan Chaudhary.
Red is safe. 1 point.
And
Chandigarh Chargers.
Lokalia out. I didn't like that. I quite didn't like that. The reason why I don't like that, of course, is that's the reason where the Yuva Mumbai have been pushed to the all-out now. Last man standing in. That's it, gone. Sunny Sherawat.
Red out. Bonus
He's got the
point.
bonus though,
Yuva
Umesh
Mumbai.
Pawar.
Red out.
Sunny Sherawat, the
1 +
Sharif
3
Bacha,
points. Chandigarh Chargers. All
has
out. Yuva Mumbai.
once again put out a very, very strong tackle. Definitely ask him if I get a chance. Prem Mandal is back on that right cover. Does nothing, goes back. Mumbai
Half time.
shouldn't
the
have
court.
conceded that all out. I just don't know.
तो टैकल में युवा मुंबई माफ कीजिए युवा मुंबई
Rather, last 5 minutes, I should say, Chandigarh Chargers have come storming back in. They've inflicted the all-out as well. And another tackle. Now this time it's fine there,
Red
Navneet.
out.
Yes,
1 point.
that's the first
Chandigarh
point in the
Chargers.
second half for the Chandigarh Chargers. And the next raid, of course, yes, for Mohit. And there is no Lokesh Gosalia. That's only Deepak Kundu on that left corner.
ये मोहित सुरेंद्र टू और डाई रीड है यहाँ पर युवा मुंबई के अगेंस्ट और हाथ को बढ़ा रहे हैं लगातार, संपर्क हो नहीं रहा है, सिर्फ 10 सेकंड बचेंगे। प्रेशर बढ़ चुका है लेकिन यहाँ प्रेशर को रिलीज कर दिया
Red is
गया है।
safe. 1 point. Chandigarh Chargers.
Where is
Number 21
Sandeep
out.
Singh sitting? Where is Lokesh Gosalia? They both are on the bench. Sandeep Singh is there. If you just can pan right, even on the bench, I can see this. Lokesh Gosalia is talking to Chetan Chaudhary. He's talking to him. He's saying, "Kya kar raha hai? Kya kar raha hai? Why should you do that?" Lokesh Gosalia is upset. So am I. But as you said, is there anything that is bothering Lokesh Gosalia physically? That could be the only reason. Abhimanyu Raghuvanshi, back kicks. Never does that. We've always seen UP Falcons as Arjun Chirohi do it, and now Abhimanyu Raghuvanshi with the
1
back kick
point.
gets Ravi
Yuva
Tehlan.
Mumbai.
In fact, that ankle hold.
ये इस वक्त ऐसा लग रहा है कि वाकई में जो टीम के कप्तान है, जो थिंकिंग स्ट्रैटेजिस्ट है, यहाँ पर मुश्किलात का सबब हो सकता है। बच गए हैं, 1 पॉइंट मिलेगा यहाँ
1
पर
point. Yuva
और
Mumbai.
मामला 23-23 हो जाएगा। लेकिन
Sandeep Saini and Lokesh Gosalia together just to see what is happening
point.
there. Again,
Chandigarh
Deepak
Chargers.
Kundu
Jersey
does
number
not
1
perform. के लिए उनके खुद के फिजियो भी है युवा मुंबई के. Do what I read now. I don't think so. They're going to take it. Yuva Mumbai, I'm sure they're not going to take it. It's Mohit Surendra for me. I feel so. No, Mugilan Shanmugam. Nice
Red
work.
out. Super tackle.
Yeah,
2
now they're both
points.
happy. Lokesh
Yuva
Gosalia and Sandeep Singh. Wonderful. He's my trip. Super tackle.
Red.
कितना इंपॉर्टेंट होता है। अगर सही आपके टीम को लीड नहीं कर रहा है तो वही प्लेयर्स की जो परफॉर्मेंस है वो चेंज हो जाती है।
Oh, बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल. That ankle hold was a
Red out.
mistimed ankle
1
hold.
point.
It is all Sunny Sherawat. Don't give this point to Sandeep Saini. No. I will not give this into the Kabaddi rule book. It is not Sandeep Saini's point at all. There it is all Sunny Sherawat. It
Red.
was a mistimed ankle hold, Navneet. It is all Sunny Sherawat
1 plus
on
2,
the
3
support.
points,
And
Chargers.
another all out.
Yuva Mumbai.
This is the second all out without Lokesh Gosalia. What is happening? Institute of Paramedical and Allied Sciences. Nobody's checking on Lokesh Gosalia, so he's all physically fine, Navneet. To put all speculations to rest, that is what it is. Fabulous kick.
अभिमन्यु रघु
1 point.
अभिमन्यु
Yuva Mumbai.
किक के लिए जाने
Jersey
जाते
number
हैं।
5 out.
Navneet, what do you say?
जी हाँ, जिस तरीके से मैंने संदीप नवीन को इतने गुस्से में, इतने परेशान, हताश, निराश नहीं देखा
1 point. Chandigarh Chargers. Jersey number
और उन्हें
47.
मुकिलन
out.
को अंग्रेज
Falls in, crosses over the midline. And yeah, do what I read now. He's got the bonus under Deepak Kundu. He can try and do it. See, but when you wanted Umesh Pawar to be coming on, you wanted to play a third raider there.
1 point.
Put it
Chandigarh
back in.
Chargers. Jersey number 1.
You could have
out.
substituted any other. Substituted out. You could have substituted anybody. Why him? He was blinded. He was blinded, Navneet. He
Yeah.
was completely
Red
blinded.
out.
Yeah.
1 point. Chandigarh Chargers.
जी हाँ, शायद अब वो हार मान है, वो अधूरा है और बिजली इस टीम में जा नहीं रही है। जब बिजली रहेगी नहीं तो अंधेरा छा जाएगा और वही लगातार देखने को मिल रहा है। तो बिना सर्किट यहाँ पर छा गया है अंधेरा, लेकिन थोड़ी सी दिया जला करके पॉइंट लाने की कोशिश यहाँ पर
10 out.
युवा मुंबा के द्वारा।
2 points. Interesting. Ravi Tehlan, Sunny Sharawat, both the covers trying to go against each other. There doesn't get the ankles.
बहुत शानदार आपकी इंजीनियरिंग का भी नॉलेज है। यहाँ पर नवीन
की नॉलेज।
यहाँ पे हमारे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियर यहाँ पर आए हैं।
अरे भाई
नवीन 33 और 38 स्कोर, सर्किट की बात लगातार कर रहे हैं। मोहित सुरेंद्र यहाँ पकड़े गए हैं, एक लेगा।
युवा मुंबा.
4 पॉइंट का डिफरेंस है। क्या ऐसा कोई खिलाड़ी है जो 4 पॉइंट का डिफरेंस?
Well, the story remains that the Chandigarh Chargers have gone on to the second position. That's the very first time that they are on the second position of the Yuva All-Star Championship 2025. Push the Yuva Mumba down on that third place and
से युवा मुंबा आज परास्त हुई है और चंडीगढ़ चार्जर्स ने